Check the remote's batteries, open the battery compartment, and make sure the batteries are correctly installed. If they're old or weak, replace them with new ones. Enter pairing mode. Press and hold the home and back buttons on the remote simultaneously until the green light starts blinking. Hold remote close. Hold the remote within a few feet of your Roku device, e.g. streamer or TV. Follow on-screen instructions. The Roku device will display instructions on how to complete the pairing process. Restart your Roku device. Unplug your Roku device from the power source. Wait a few seconds, and then plug it back in. This can sometimes reset the connection and allow your remote to sync. Use the Roku mobile app. Download the Roku mobile app on your smartphone or tablet from the App Store for iPhone or iPad or Google Play Store for Android devices. The app can act as a remote control. Look for the green light. Continue holding the buttons until the green light on the remote, typically near the microphone and power button, starts blinking. Pairing mode. The Roku device should recognize the remote and display a confirmation message on the screen. Troubleshooting. If the pairing process fails, try restarting your Roku device by unplugging it from the power outlet and plugging it back in. You can also try using the Roku mobile app as a temporary remote to navigate to the settings and manually try pairing. Connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Ensure your Roku device and the smartphone or tablet with the Roku app are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for the app to communicate with your Roku device. Follow the app instructions. Open the Roku app on your smartphone or tablet. Use the remote feature within the app to control your Roku device. Navigate to the settings menu on your Roku screen using the app, and follow any on-screen instructions to complete the sync process.